Dear students, this is Ashraful Islam, your math teacher from Mohammadpur branch. Now I am going to discuss about Theorem 3, Chapter 9. If one angle of any triangle is greater than another, then the side opposite the greater angle, is greater than the side opposite the smaller angle. Okay. Particular enunciation: let triangle ABC be a triangle. Let triangle ABC be a triangle in which angle ABC, that means this angle is greater than angle ACB. Okay. It is required to prove that AC is greater than AB. That means we have to prove it that side AC is greater than side AB. Okay. Proof. Steps and justification. If AC is not greater than AB, it must be either equal or less than AB. If AC is not greater than AB, it must be either equal or less than AB. That means AC equal to AB or AC is less than AB. Now, if AC equal to AB, then angle ABC equal to angle ACB. I can show you another figure. In this triangle, AB equal to AC or AC equal to AB. Okay, that means angle ABC, this angle equal to angle ACB, because it is an isosceles triangle. Because base angles of an isosceles triangle are equal. Therefore, now if AC equal to AB, then angle ABC equal to angle ACB. But by hypothesis, angle ABC is greater than angle ACB. So this is not true. Again, if AC is less than AB, then angle ABC is less than angle ACB. If AC is less than AB, in this figure here AC is less than AB, so angle ABC is less than angle ACB. Okay. But by hypothesis this is also not true, because the angle opposite to smaller side is smaller. The angle opposite to smaller side is smaller. Okay. Therefore, AB is not equal to AC and AC is not less than AB. Okay. Therefore, AB is not equal to AC and AC is not less than AB. So, AC is greater than AB. So, AC is greater than AB. Proved. Okay. That's it.